Hey team, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to solve another Python program in HackerRank. This one is called List Comprehensions. Let's learn about List Comprehensions. Now we are given three integers, x, y, and z, and they represent the dimensions of a cuboid, along with an integer n. Let me explain how we're going to use those. Here you can see that we have the x, y, and z, and then n. Now how do we use 1, 1, 2, and 3? Well, the values that are acceptable, we can use 0 and 1 for the x, 0 and 1 for the y, 0, 1, and 2 for the z. Now the n thing, if you do the summing of all of these, it cannot equal 3. If you look down here at my output, notice 0, 0, 0, does that equal 3? Nope. So here you can see a 1, here you can see a 2, a 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, and a 4. They never equal 3. So I think you understand the problem. Let's solve this. Let's begin by creating that cuboid. Ready? So we're going to say cuboid equals a list. Now remember, our goal is to create a list of lists. Now we begin by creating this I, j, and k. Now I, j, and k is what we want our list to become. So we're going to say I, j, and k. Now once we get this, it's like, how are we going to populate each element of I, j, and k? Well, we're going to say for I in range 0 to, you see this x up here? So we're going to say x plus 1. Remember, if we don't say plus 1 and x is 1, we will only ever get 0. So we have to say plus 1 if we want the value. So that's I, and then we're going to say for j, so for j in range 0, remember we just want to start at 0, and we're going to say y plus 1. And the last one is going to be for k in range 0 to z plus 1. So this right here builds each element inside of our output. Remember, we're inside of a list. This is our outer list. This is our inner list. And these are how we're populating all the different combinations that are going to be inside this list. Now we have one filter. We just can't take everything that this generates. For instance, we know that this can generate a 0 and a 1, right? That's what our example was below. So let's go ahead and put something that will filter this input. So we're going to say if the I plus j plus k is not equal, see it says right here, I, j, k not equal n, then that can be populated into the list. So if this right here is successful, a list will be built and added to cuboid. Now, if this fails, if I, j, k does equal n, nothing will happen. Hopefully that's clear. So let's go ahead and let's print this cuboid now. Print cuboid. Let's go ahead and try to run this. And notice 1, 1, 1, and those are our values. All done.